Do you know that if the poet had not written about the oppression of the African women and their sufferings and their songs, you and I would know nothing about it. Sase decided to write this beautiful poem so he can draw attention to the lifeless songs of the unhappy women. Why? Because he wanted to show that these women did not die in vain. If Sase did not capture their song in his poem, the world would never have known about their curved souls, decapitated lives, and collective pain. At the end, though the women and their song are dead and gone, through poetry, Sase raised the song from the dead and made everyone on earth hear about how brave these women were. He has gathered the ashes of the dead in the form of the songs and transformed them into something that will live forever, so that long after the women's song can no longer be heard, this poem will live on to tell their tale. With this writing of his poem, Sase has created a space for women and helped to give a voice to the things happening to them. Lastly, alone the women, poor and struggling, could not have done it. Their song could never have gone beyond their time. But with what the poet has done and being on their side, many men will now understand what women go through and hopefully stand by them. See you in the next class.